This problem has a mean of 17.4 and a standard deviation of 3.9. The question says at least blank percent is between 9.6 and 25.2. The second part says at least 84% is between blank and blank. Round to one decimal place. We're going to complete the triangle. We have a mean of 17.4, which is going to go in the center. Now we're going to do standard deviation to the right. We're going to add 3.9 to 17.4, which gives us 21.3, plus 3.9, 25.2, 3.9, 29.1, 3.9, 33. Now we're going to subtract. We're going to go on the left side of the triangle. We're going to start from the center. 17.4 subtract 3.9 gives us 13.5. Subtract 3.9, 9.6. Subtract 3.9, 5.7. Subtract 3.9 gives us 1.8. The first part of the question says at least blank percentage is between 9.6 and 25.2. When we look at our data on the triangle, we can see those numbers are exactly 9.6 to the left, 25.2 to the right. It falls within the Chebyshev line of 75%. Or you can add the percentage from 9.6 to 25.2, which gives you 15%, plus 15%, plus 15%, plus 15%, plus 15% equals 75%. The second part of the question says at least 84% is between blank and blank. When we look at the Chebyshev line, we do not have an 84%. Since we do not have an 84%, we have to start from the center and move our way out. So we start with the middle 15. We add both 15 to the right and to the left. We add the other 15 to the right and to the left, which gives us 75. Whatever you add on the left, you have to add on the right. We are looking for at least 84%. If we add 7, we get 82%. But make sure we always add the one on the left as well as the one on the right. We're going to add the other 7%. It gives us 89%, which is a little too much. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go between the 15% and the 7% and divide it in half, which is another 7%. Since where the red marks are, when we cut it in half, it doesn't go lower than 7%. We're going to go right. We're going to find the numbers that are right in the middle. When we look to the left, the number that are right in the middle of the 7%, the red one, is 5.7 and 9.6. And to the right, we have 25.2 and 29.1. 5.7 plus 9.6 divided by 2 is 7.65. 25.2 plus 29.1 divided by 2 is 27.15. The question says to round to one decimal place. So the answer is at least 84% is between 7.7 and 27.2.